Today I got a package opening video for you guys and gals. This one comes from Grim Reaper RC. If you're not familiar with that name, the gentleman that runs the company is out of Georgia over on the East Coast and is a very skilled RC crawler driver. Got to talk to him a couple times when he comes down to my local comps down in the Mississippi Gulf Coast. And pretty cool guy, and has some pretty cool rigs, and he started doing some 3D printing and has a little business of doing some parts and accessories for scale trucks and so on and so forth. But anyways, he had a contest on his Facebook page to like a video on his YouTube channel, subscribe to his YouTube channel, comment on the Facebook page, so on, the usual stuff. And I commented, I've been watching his videos for a while, and after so long he did a random number. Well, he drew my name and got a 3D printed LS motor, and he asked me if I wanted it painted and put together or just basic raw. I told myself I'll do it basic raw. I never glued a 3D printed anything together. I only got a couple 3D printed parts to my name, but anyway, I thought it'd be just something to pass time with, and I got a couple projects coming up that I think it might fit into one of them at least. So I'm going to open it up and we'll see what we got here. Nicely packaged. All right. Looks like the air cleaner. Probably some valve covers in there. All right. So, print quality looks pretty good, actually. Have to do a little research on how to put these together, how to glue them and everything. Like I said, I've never glued together a 3D printed anything. So there's the headers. Got two of them there. Let's open this up here. We got the cylinder heads. Pretty good details in there. I'm liking it so far. Valve cover gaskets, I believe. Or valve covers, not the gaskets. Anyways, got another one there. Got another cylinder head. Pretty cool. Got the air cleaner, throttle body. And the intake plenum. Pretty cool. If I'm not mistaken, this will actually go over a 540 motor, electric motor. Anyways, just thought I'd give you a little video of it, and you can see it's very good quality. I'm not a 3D printing expert by any means. I haven't got mine running yet, but this might give me something to do here next weekend or two. Get some glue out and a little sandpaper. See if I can get this put together and see what I can come up with. I'll do another video on it, probably a little time lapse or something like that. But anyways, if y'all are looking for some 3D printed parts for your crawler, or probably any RC, give old Grim Reaper RC a try. I'll leave a description, leave a link in the description below for his YouTube channel and his Facebook page. I appreciate the contest, and maybe one day I can get up there to Georgia and show y'all boys how to crawl up there. And I appreciate y'all watching. We'll see y'all next time.